In a world dominated by ever-evolving smartphone technology, it takes something truly revolutionary to capture global attention. Enter the Google Pixel 10, not just the next iteration in Google's flagship line, but a potential leap into a futuristic reality. Recent leaks hint at a holographic display, a feature once confined to science fiction, now seemingly poised for mainstream rollout. As whispers flood tech forums and X, formerly Twitter, the big question arises, is this real or just clever marketing hype? So in this video, we will discuss Google's holographic Pixel 10 leak, the 2025 phone nobody expected. But before starting the video, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. Why this is trending? The rise of holographic displays. The buzz isn't baseless. Reports from industry insiders and a Capgemini R&D trends analysis show that holographic display development has accelerated in 2024 and 2025, largely due to breakthroughs in light field technology and AI-driven rendering. Tech giants are investing heavily in next-gen displays that eliminate the need for headsets or glasses, a direct response to consumer fatigue from wearable-heavy AR and VR ecosystems. Google, with its AI supremacy and the hardware chops of its Pixel team, seems poised to be the first to break the glass ceiling, literally and figuratively. And with no other major leaks pointing to holographic phones from competitors, the Pixel 10 could be the exclusive gateway to holographic smartphones in 2025. What the leak says, inside the holographic Pixel 10. So what exactly has been leaked? According to a series of anonymous reports and a now-deleted post from a known Google insider on X, the Pixel 10 may feature a built-in holographic projection system capable of displaying 3D images above the screen without external hardware. This would be achieved using a multi-layered quantum dot display paired with AI-powered depth rendering, similar to how Tesla's SSD Vision creates 3D environments from 2D input. The leak also references a new Holographic system, a futuristic user interface designed specifically for gesture-based interactions in a 3D space. Imagine browsing your gallery by waving your hand over the screen, or watching YouTube videos that pop up as floating tiles in midair. If real, this would completely redefine what a smartphone is. Google's strategic advantage: Pixel and AI integration. It's no secret that Google has been doubling down on AI, especially with the Gemini AI model family integrated across Search, Gmail, Android, and now Pixel. Pixel phones have always been the showcase of Google's software innovation. Tensor chips, Magic Eraser, and the Recorder app are just a few examples of how Google uses AI to create features competitors can't match. With holographic technology, the synergy becomes even more powerful. Real-time facial tracking, voice recognition, and environmental understanding. All tasks Google's AI is already optimized for would be crucial for managing 3D interfaces. Pixel 10, therefore, isn't just launching a new display, it's potentially launching a new paradigm of computing. Speculating the specs, what might be inside Pixel 10? While much of this remains speculative, based on past Pixel launches and current trends, we can make some educated guesses about the Pixel 10's potential hardware. Processor: Tensor G5, AI-focused 3nm architecture. Display: 6.7-inch QD OLED base with holographic projection matrix. Holographic support with depth and motion sensors. RAM/storage: 16 GB RAM with up to 1 TB storage. Battery: 5,500 mAh with rapid adaptive charging. Camera: triple lens setup with a 200 MP main sensor and LiDAR depth. OS: Android 15 with exclusive HoloPixel launcher. Beyond specs, expected brand new form factor. Holographic displays require complex optics, possibly resulting in a slightly thicker body or dual display folding mechanism. Google may take inspiration from the Pixel Fold, but focus more on projection and user immersion than portability. How it compares to Apple's iPhone 17 rumors. Apple's iPhone 17 is rumored to feature advanced AR integration, a slimmer Vision Pro-like interface, and perhaps tighter Vision OS and iOS cross-functionality. But unlike Google, Apple seems committed to its wearable-first approach, meaning you'll need glasses or a headset to fully engage with AR. Google's strategy, if the holographic leak is accurate, appears to bypass wearables altogether, offering 3D interaction directly on the phone. It's a move that taps into the same wow factor that made the iPhone X revolutionary in 2017. The Pixel 10 could be 2025's equivalent, the device that changes how we interact with digital environments. Holography versus AR, VR, which is better? Here's the core debate: will holographic phones beat AR glasses or VR headsets? The answer depends on user preference. AR/VR excels in immersion but suffers from hardware bulk and cost. Holography offers instant screen-free depth, no glasses required. Holography may not replace AR or VR completely, but could become the everyday alternative, perfect for productivity, entertainment, and even medical use. Plus, as holography becomes more compact and AI-enhanced, it may evolve into a true post-smartphone computing platform. The role of 6G and spatial computing. Another wild card is 6G connectivity. While still in its infancy, some early 6G trials suggest real-world speeds and latency low enough to support real-time volumetric data streaming, such as holograms. If the Pixel 10 includes a 6G-ready modem, this would make it the first smartphone to truly leverage spatial computing on the go. Google could also integrate cloud-based rendering, allowing heavier holographic visuals to be processed off-device, reducing hardware strain while boosting capability. Combine this with AI voice assistants like Gemini, and you've got a device that doesn't just respond, it anticipates. Consumer use cases, more than just a gimmick. Skeptics might call this a gimmick, but the potential use cases are substantial. Virtual meetings where coworkers appear as 3D projections. Gaming with spatial UI overlays. Think holographic HUDs. Navigation with floating 3D routes above the phone. 3D modeling for creators and designers. Education with real-time anatomical or planetary visualizations. The fact is, if Google nails the execution, the Pixel 10 could be a true productivity and creativity hub, not just a phone. Holography and privacy. A double-edged sword. Of course, with great innovation comes great concern. A holographic phone with AI awareness raises privacy flags, especially in shared spaces. What happens when a user's gestures or facial expressions are tracked 24/7? Can holographic content be recorded without consent? Google will have to double down on transparency, giving users full control over what data is collected and how it's used. Otherwise, the Pixel 10's magic might be overshadowed by backlash, as seen with previous issues involving Google Assistant and location tracking. Reactions from the tech community. Early reactions from industry voices on X and Reddit have been mixed, but passionate. Leakers like at Pixel Lab and the Tech Wiz have confirmed insider chatter about Google testing 3D UI elements in closed labs. Concept artists have already posted renders of floating calendar widgets, 3D avatars, and interactive holograms over sleek Pixel chassis. Even Mark Brownlee, MKBHD, hinted during a recent stream that 2025 could be wild if what I've heard from Mountain View is true. While still speculative, the community is buzzing with cautious excitement, making this one of the most engaging tech rumor cycles in recent memory. Will it be affordable? Pricing will play a crucial role in adoption. Considering the complexity, the Pixel 10 may launch in 2 tiers, a standard version and a premium Pixel 10 Holo Edition. Analysts estimate the Holo Edition could start around $1,499 to $1,699, putting it in foldable phone territory. To justify the price, Google would need to demonstrate real daily use value, not just flashy tech demos. Still, early adopters, developers, and hardcore Pixel fans are likely to jump in, creating enough momentum for broader adoption by Pixel 11 or Pixel 12. Is the future finally here? Whether the leak turns out to be 100% accurate or not, one thing is clear: smartphone innovation is alive and well, and Google is right at the center of it. If the Pixel 10 truly introduces a usable, immersive holographic UI, it won't just be a cool gadget, it will signal a new era of spatial computing. So is the idea of a holographic phone exciting or terrifying, a productivity boost or a privacy risk? As always, the future brings both promise and caution. But one thing is undeniable: Google's Pixel 10 is now the most anticipated device of 2025. Thank you, guys, for watching. If you want more videos like this, make sure to like the video and hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video.